limited edition version of the Nano Falcon Silverlit helicopter. Features a sleek metallic silver finish. Set as apart from the standard version of the toy. The helicopter measures approximately 8 cmi in length and 3.5 cm in height. Making it one of the smallest remote-controlled helicopter available on the market. It is powered by a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Which can be charged using the included USB cable. The Nano Falcon Silverlit helicopter is equipped with a 3-channel infrared remote control. Remote control, which allows you to control the helicopter, also features a built-in gyro system. Which helps to stabilize the helicopter and make it easier to fly. The limited edition Nano Falcon SILVR LIT helicopter